You are probably familiar with Squish, and we hope it has saved you a lot of tedious work over the years. Today, I'd like to introduce you a new tool, the Squish AI Assistant, a new extension to the Squish IDE. Hi, I'm Krystian Smaga, a software engineer at Qt. We've worked hard to bring you this extension, and I'm going to show you how to get the most out of the Squish AI Assistant. Integrating an AI Assistant directly into a testing tool can truly change the way you work. The Squish AI Assistant helps you to write cleaner test cases, analyze test logs, and understand why tests pass or fail. It's completely up to you whether you want to integrate AI solutions into Squish and your workflow. And the best part, all Squish users can already benefit from the optional AI Assistant, which we made available with version 9.1. And now, let's take a closer look and see how it works. We're now inside the Squish IDE, where the AI Assistant is already installed and ready to help. It appears on the right-hand side of the interface, offering quick actions such as setup assistance and step-by-step guidance for common scenarios. At the bottom of the Assistant panel, you'll find a text box where you can enter custom prompts to get instant support. The chats are stored in the session history and can be retrieved using the History button in the toolbar at the top. The Squish AI Assistant provides several quick actions tailored to the main use cases. These can be triggered either from the application or context menus, or via the Prompt from Selection button located at the bottom of the AI Assistant panel. Let's take a look at how the Squish AI Assistant can help us understand test results. I already have a test case open that shows a failure in the test results view. Let's right-click on it and select what do the selected Squish test results mean. The AI Assistant starts a new chat and provides the necessary context to the LLM to investigate the failure. In this case, the AI Assistant points out that there is an incorrect object name in my script and suggests how to fix it. We can use the insert snippet function to replace the line that contains the typo in the object name. Let's run the test now. Perfect, the test is green. Now let's see how the Squish AI Assistant can help improve the quality of test scripts. This script contains some repetitive code that can be simplified. I'll select the relevant section and choose how can I improve the selected code from the right-click context menu. Once again, the Squish AI Assistant sends a prompt to the LLM, but this time asking it to improve the selected code. To apply the suggested changes, I simply keep the selection in the editor, use the Insert Snippet button from the results and tweak it a little. This code looks much better now. Sometimes interpreting runner or server logs can be tricky, even for the most experienced users. Let's see what happens when I try to run this AUT. It looks like starting the application failed, and Squish is asking me to check the runner server log view. This is a perfect job for the AI Assistant. Let's select the logs and use the Prompt from Selection button this time. With this function, the AI Assistant lets me review the prompt before sending it, so I can add any additional context I think is relevant. Now let's send the prompt and wait for the response. The AI Assistant points out that there is a Qt version mismatch between Squish and the AUT I'm using. A perfect hint to continue troubleshooting. So, as we have seen, the AI Assistant can streamline your workflow through code suggestions, result, and test log analysis. Whether you're a seasoned pro or new to Squish, the AI Assistant can become a helpful addition to your daily work. Give it a try and let us know what you think. Your feedback helps us to make it even better. Happy testing!